Hi again. As usual, this is Jess, and this time we're going to talk about next generation assessments and the test prep program included in Wowzers. Now, as you probably know, next generation assessments are more interactive than the traditional multiple choice tests and include all kinds of digital manipulatives. Wowzers has designed our assessments to give students more practice with this type of test taking. To see what I mean, let's preview an assessment and explore some of the features. To preview any of the curriculum, click your name and navigate to the curriculum page. Let's take a look at the assessment in Grade 5, Section 13, Day 5. All you need to do is click the eyeball icon to preview an activity. You'll probably notice that two of the words here describe the lines shown. On these types of questions, students can actually select multiple answers if they need to. At other times, only one answer will be correct. Sometimes multiple questions will be shown at once, where students have to fill in or choose an answer for each one of these. Matching questions are also included, where students have to choose from a set of provided answers. For these multi-part questions, the Wowzers engine automatically grades each part of the question separately, so students can receive partial credit if they get part of it correct. Let's just skip past another couple of these questions because I'd like to show you some of our digital manipulatives. Alright, here we go. Now, this question is asking us to measure an angle. Just like the next generation assessments, these are all built directly into the program. Students can just click these manipulatives at the top to use them. We have a couple of rulers for measuring objects, but for this question we need a protractor. I can easily drag it around the screen and even rotate it if needed. Alright, so it looks like this angle is 135 degrees. Now, I'd also like to show you how students input number answers because we have a pretty sophisticated formatting system students learn to use throughout Wowzers. Let's exit this preview for now and check out a section in Grade 7 instead. Section 4 is about rational numbers, which should give us a look at how students format numbers in Wowzers. At the higher grades, students sometimes need to enter things like equations, fractions, exponents, and more. When I go to enter the answer to this question, you see this panel system pop up. Students can open and close each of these panels, which makes entering answers easy even on a tablet. The answer to this question is 7/9, so to enter this, we need to use the fraction button, then enter the 7 and 9. As a side note, we do accept the shortcut of 7/9 since that's pretty common, and we do automatically convert it to a fraction, but we encourage students to use the number formatting panels since it becomes particularly helpful as answers become more complicated formatting-wise. One more thing I want to make sure to show you is how to assign students to the test prep program. This is a set of 300 adaptive questions per grade level, split into different domains. We really recommend assigning students to some test prep work before any high-stakes assessments so they can practice answering these types of questions and review some concepts they might not have seen in a while. To assign students to test prep, head on back to the classroom dashboard and select the students who should receive the same test prep assignment. Click the Test Prep tab and then select the grade and the concept they should work on. Choose whether they should start it immediately or not, and then click Assign Content. When the students are done working on their test prep, they resume whatever they were working on before they started it. And that's all I have for today. Wowzers is really designed to help students prepare for high-stakes tests and become more familiar and comfortable with taking them. Thanks again for joining me, and let us know if you have any questions.